All right, let's try this again. So I want to make a truck camper for the Cybertruck, working on the design, the concept. This was my original design because I wanted to include a shower and a full kitchen and make it big and everything, but it's after some feedback, some harsh internet criticism, it's become apparent that this is probably a bit much for the Cybertruck. It's really going to hurt range, and range is important for me. I want to keep the autonomous features or the self-driving features of the Cybertruck as much as possible, and I don't think this design is going to give it to me, even with this pop-up thing here. So, design number 2. Let's see what this thing can do. So, this is the idea. It's supposed to be slimmer, hopefully. Full pop-up, so the entire roof pops up. So, as you can see, I have these 6-foot markers here to roughly measure the height. So the Cybertruck is just over 6 feet tall. So I use that as kind of a rough measurement of this to get, at least 6.5 feet of interior height on this pop-up. And yeah, the idea for the pop-up is I can at least have a bed, have some sort of a kitchen, and a sitting area potentially. So probably no shower, maybe an outdoor one, but nothing crazy. Just kind of a nice tent on the back of the Cybertruck I can just pop up really quick and easy. So these are 2 windows here, and then yeah, it just pops up and down, up, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. And it stays within. The idea is it'll stay within the truck bed. Not sure if you'll be able to remove the tailgate on the Cybertruck yet, so potentially could be inside the tailgate, which has its advantages and disadvantages, but we'll have to see about that. So ideally, all the cameras would still be able to see the road. The truck would be able to drive autonomously, I think, with this design. So let me know if that's the case. And what do you guys think of this aerodynamic wise? Is it okay? I know this is probably going to be a rough area right here, but I'm hoping it's not going to be too bad. I was thinking I could maybe shape the roof like this to kind of go with the shape roughly of the Cybertruck already, but that's going to be a cut right there on the back. And it just makes it taller because it doesn't really, I still have to have enough interior height right here. So I could have this go straight across and be the same height, or add that extra hump if it does help with aerodynamics, but not sure if it will or not. So that's basically my new idea. Really only working on the exterior right now, and then I'll see what I can fit inside. But yeah, I'd love to get your thoughts and ideas of what you think about this design here. Oh, and just to be clear, this would be like a soft tent material that pops up, and those are, soft plastic windows there. Another quick idea I had, just wanted to throw out there, was maybe you can use this retractable tailgate with the ramp to have some sort of deck in the back, which may be cool. Potentially put some legs under this here and have it supported, and then you could have a deck right out the back of the truck. So the deck would just hang out here. Maybe. Just thought of that. Might be a cool idea. But that's it. That's it for the video. Again, I'm going to be making this Cybertruck truck camper. So if you're interested in that, want to see, the design process, and then we'll get into the build process once I actually get the truck. Feel free to subscribe if you want to follow along with that process. But other than that, let me know your thoughts, ideas, tips, feedback in the comments. You can be harsh. That's okay. I like to hear this stuff. I need to hear this stuff before it gets built. So looking for ideas. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next segment of this whole build process.